Hi guys, welcome to our today's video. If you remember a few weeks ago now, and you can find it right here, we bought some more Poundland Harry Potter tote bags. Now these bags are so useful for so many different reasons, but I love to turn them into Harry Potter cushions, just like this one. So if you want to find out how I do that, join me now. First thing that I like to do is get the full collection of 4 each year, and I've done that in the last 2 years, so these are going to be our 12th Harry Potter cushions. They wash really well, even with the insert in the washing machine too, which is what I love. Now you can buy the cushion inserts from Poundland. They're kind of pre-stuffed cushions, but they don't have a lot of filling, so better value for money is to go to Amazon, where you can buy 4 cushions for £4. I bought these 4 inserts for £4, but when I checked the link recently, I think they've gone up to £4.25 because Amazon prices can fluctuate. So I'll put the link in below for the cushion inserts. So it's time to cut off the handles. So I'm just removing the stickers and the tags from all of the bags to start off with. Of course, you don't have to use Harry Potter bags from Poundland for this DIY. They also do lots of Disney type bags. I've seen Wonder Woman and DC bags as well, which were pretty cool. When you're cutting with sharp scissors, make sure you're being really careful. My fingers were in the way. And then I just begin to stuff them with the cushion inserts that I've had from Amazon, link in the description below. Stuffed cushions, I've done all 4 now, and there are certain ways that you can fasten them at the top. Now if you're feeling adventurous, you could put buttonholes and tie buttons off just at the top, and that way you can take the inserts in and out if you want to wash the cushions. You could also use Velcro if you wanted to and you were feeling adventurous there. You could also, and I don't really like the iron-on hemming tape. I always end up burning my fingers using that. If you're going to use that and do a completely no-sew, I suggest you take some of the padding out of the cushion first and just keep it for another project. So if you don't mind sewing, what I do is I just put a blanket stitch line all across the top there. It seals them off perfectly, and I also find that even though the cushion inserts say that they're not suitable for washing, I've put them in the wash plenty of times and it's been fine. But always test things out before you do it, don't just take my word for it. So I'm going to go and sew these. See you in a minute. So I'm using pins to help me keep the fabric together while I'm sewing. You can do it without, but my arthritis was particularly evil that day. And I'm just starting off with a running stitch, and then when I get to the end of each stitch, I'm just locking it off with a blanket stitch. I am no seamstress. Here, in fact, I made a mistake and ended up with a loop of cotton. So what I did was just went back, tucked it in, and then sewed over it. So you can always find a way around, even if you're not the best sewer in the world. So these from last year went really well, and I hope this year's ones I'm going to be just as pleased with. So here they are, all of my collection of Harry Potter cushions from Poundland. All of these were tote bags originally, and we love them.
What do you think about Poundland cushions? If you thought it was but God give it a big thumbs up. If you think it was bad, give it a thumbs up too. We need a thumbs up.
If you want to see any more Poundland crafts, also let us know in the comments. And please subscribe. We'd love to see more of you join us at Eliza's World.
Bye! Bungee jump!
That's another cushion.
Yeah, that's our fluffy cushion. Right, you know.
Oh, sorry. You're supposed to be looking cute. Look, cute. Look, cute.
That's what you had. Bungee jump.